Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to extract data from PDF and save it into Excel file using computer vision. So for this, first of all, we need to have the computer vision API key from the community section of Orchestrator. Under the license tab, you may able to find this computer vision. Just copy it, copy API key. Again, going back over here, then we are going to search for CV computer vision. So that is CV screen scope. So whatever the activities that we write in computer vision has to be under the CV screen scope. And we are going to click over here. And then again, we are going to search for a PDF. This is the PDF from where we are going to extract data. I'm going to click over here. So this PDF has been identified. And API key, it's been already copied over here. If it is not, you can again copy it over here under the double quotes. Okay. Now I'm going to extract this data table from this PDF. So I'm going to write CV extract data table. Click indicate on scope. That means click over here again. Select the data table. It's been selected. Now you can mark it as a data table name. It should be the DT data table again. And now we want to save this data into the Excel, right? So over here, we can search for Excel. Just click on classic. And there we go. It's Excel application scope. I already created this one Excel file. Okay. So it's blank. Now we are going to select the path of Excel file. Now guys, tell me which activity we need to use to write the data in Excel sheet. Please mention your answer in the comments. Okay, so for now, I'm going to use right range, sheet 1. It's data table. Just save it. Okay, now let's execute the program. Support is running. Okay, it's done. So let's see how it looks like. Okay, so for this, what we have done is we forget to add, you know, check the header's name. No problem. Let's delete this data again. And let's go back over here. Just click add headers. It will add the headers as well. Okay, now let's execute again. Let's see how it goes. Computer vision is little slow, but it works. Okay, the bot is completed. Let's open over here. Here we go. So description, unit price, every columns, everything is here. Just leave this. This is the extra column which may have been added from somewhere over here, but that's okay. So we have the data over here. Okay, so this is how the computer vision works. Even, I mean, if you want to use computer vision, other activities, just type over here, CV, and you may get many things like CV get text. It is used to extract the data, specific data, text from the PDF itself or from any document. So this is how it works. Do mention your comments, guys, like how you like this video, and let me know which activities you are planning to use computer vision activities in your project. And don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. If not you have not subscribed, do subscribe and do like this video. I hope you are hoping to get back to you soon. Thanks a lot.